Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove GMC Terrain seats. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical problems. Gather your tools, including a socket wrench set and a trim removal tool. Make sure your GMC Terrain is parked on a level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged before you begin any work. To remove the front seats, start by locating the plastic covers that hide the mounting bolts. Gently pry these off using your trim removal tool. Next, use a socket wrench to unbolt the 4 mounting bolts for each seat. Once the bolts are out, carefully tilt the seat back and disconnect all electrical connectors located underneath before lifting the seat out of the vehicle. Removing the rear seats is a bit different. Begin by folding down the rear seat backs to expose the mounting points. You'll typically find bolts securing the bottom cushion. Remove these bolts, then lift the entire bottom cushion out. After that, you can usually unbolt or unlatch the seat backs and carefully remove them from the vehicle, often in sections. Once the seats are out, store all bolts and small components in a secure place to avoid losing them. This makes reinstallation much smoother. Take this opportunity to thoroughly clean the floor area of your GMC Terrain. When you're ready to put everything back, simply reverse these steps. Remember to reconnect the negative battery terminal only after all work is finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.